In this video, I'm going to show you how to place the blower motor on this Dodge Ram 1500. This will be located underneath the glove box, and that's where we'll access it through. Let's get started. Reaching underneath the glove box, you can see the blower motor located right here. Let's first unplug it. This wiring that comes up has a tab that you want to press on and pull down at the same time. Just wiggle and pull, and that'll unlatch it. And just set this aside. You want this to be out of your way. This blower motor is held on with 3 8mm headed bolts, or screws, I guess. One here, and one here. We'll remove all 3. It does not matter which one you take off first. There's one. And there's the second one. As you can see, it's starting to move. That's normal because it's only held on with one now. And there's the last one. We'll set that aside. Gently lower the blower motor right out of place. And there it is. Now bring in the new blower motor and line it up into place. Remember, this part goes towards the side of it, and you'll see where it has to line up right over there. Just press it up into position, and that is seated. Now you want to have your hardware accessible so that you can start it on by hand, at least one of them. That's going to ensure that this will stay on here and not fall off. And then you can start the rest. I'll take my socket and ratchet and tighten this up just a little bit. I'm going to leave this just a little bit loose so I can line up my last one on the back here, just in case I have to move this around. And actually that one lined up perfectly, so now we can finish tightening everything down. Now remember, these are going into plastic, so as soon as you feel that it starts tightening, stop, or it'll strip out the plastic insert, and then you won't be able to tighten it anymore. So that right there is good. We'll tighten the rest of them. And that's bottomed out and snug. Last one. And that got tight. So those are all tightened up. Last thing we have to do is take our wiring harness and plug it back in. You want to line it up, push it, and listen for a click. This one was quite a silent click, but if I pull down on it, it is locked in, it will not come out. Now test your blower motor, and job is done.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.